In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan your GitHub QR code for sign-in. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started with the first step. First, you need to log in to your GitHub account. So head over to github.com. If you already have your credentials handy, go ahead and sign in. If not, the process is pretty straightforward. Just enter your username and password, and you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next thing we want to do is access your account settings. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile icon. It might be a picture of you, or just a little silhouette if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now that we are in the Settings area, we are going to navigate to the Security section. Look for the tab that says Password and Authentication. It's usually located on the left-hand sidebar. Give that a click, and you'll be brought to a page where you can manage your security settings. To enhance your account's security, we're going to enable two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA. This is a great step because it adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification when you log in. On the Password and Authentication page, you should see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on this option, and you will be guided through a few simple steps to set it up. Once you choose to enable 2FA, GitHub will display a unique QR code on your screen. This QR code is specifically linked to your account, and you will need it for the next step. So grab your mobile device and open your preferred authenticator app. If you don't already have one, there are plenty available, such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. Just download one from your App Store. Now, in your Authenticator app, look for an option to add a new account. This is usually represented by a plus sign or the word Add. You'll want to use the Scan option in the app to capture the QR code displayed on your GitHub screen. Point your phone's camera at the QR code. If all goes well, the app will recognize the code and add your GitHub account. The last step in our process is to verify that everything is working correctly. Once the QR code has been scanned, your Authenticator app will generate a temporary code. This code usually refreshes every 30 seconds, so make sure to enter it quickly. Now, head back to the GitHub window where it asked you to verify your account. Enter the temporary code from your Authenticator app into the GitHub prompt. Once you do that, GitHub should confirm that the verification was successful, linking your account with your mobile device. Congratulations! You've now set up and scanned your GitHub QR code for sign-in. This extra step helps to keep your account much safer. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.